Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the opposites of words. Bagore namwe bagabo, murakaza neza kuri YouTube channel yacu. Uyu munsi wa none tugiye kwiga imbusane z'amagambo. Niba utarakora subscribe, banza uyikore nonaha, like, share and comment. Mw'iyi video ndaza kugenda mbaha n'ingero zibafasha kumva neza iri somo. Kandi mbibutse yuko niba ukeneye kwihugura mu rurimi rw'icyongereza cyangwa se ururimi rw'igifaransa, twandikire kuri WhatsApp number ubona aho hasi muri screen yawe. Aho waba uri hose turagukurikirana mu Rwanda ndetse n'imahanga. The opposites of words. Imbusane z'amagambo. Simple, cyoroshye. Complex, kigoranye cyangwa se gikomeye. Simple work, akazi koroshye. Complex work, akazi kagoranye. Simplicity, ubworohe. My simplicity make me so strong. Kwiyoroshya kwanjye bituma nkomera cyangwa se birankomeza. This job has simplicity. Aka kazi karoroshye. This job has complexity. Aka kazi karagoranye. Weak, umunyantege nke. Strong, umunyambaraga. You are weak, I am strong. Uri umunyantege nke, ndi umunyambaraga. Big, small. Kinini, gito. You are big, I am small. Uri munini, ndi muto. Fast, slow. Vuba, gahoro. I move fast, you move slow. Ngenda vuba, ugenda gahoro. Happy and sad. Wishimye, ubabaye. You are happy, they are sad. Urishimye, barababaye. Urishimye, barababaye. Light and heavy. Kitaremereye, kiremereye. This package is light and yours is heavy. This package is light and yours is heavy. Uyu muzigo uroroshye, uwawe uraremereye. Loudly, quietly, cyane gituje. He speaks loudly while you speak quietly. Avuga cyane mu gihe uvuga utuje. He speaks loudly while you speak quietly. Avuga cyane mu gihe uvuga utuje. Kuvuga avugira hejuru, aba afite akavuyo. Full and empty, cyuzuye kibereye aho. I am full, ndahaze. My stomach is empty. Igifu cyanjye kibereye aho. Full package, empty package. Full package, empty package. Igipfunyika cyuzuye, igipfunyika kibereye aho. Rich and poor, umukire, umukene. We are a rich family, they are a poor family. We are a rich family, they are a poor family. Turi umuryango ukize, ni umuryango ukennye. Easy or hard, cyoroshye, gikomeye. Easy life, ubuzima bworoshye. Hard life, ubuzima bugoye. Long and short, kirekire, kigufi. High and low. High and low, cyo hejuru cyo hasi, cyangwa se kirenze cyangwa se giciriritse. High ni ikintu kirenze, low ni ikintu cyo hasi giciriritse. You are on high level, I am on a lower level. Uri ku rwego rwo hejuru, ndi ku rwego rwo hasi. You are on high level, I am on lower level. Uri ku rwego rwo hejuru, ndi ku rwego rwo hasi. Opened and closed, gifunguye gifunze. A closed shop, a closed shop, iduka rifunze. Any opened shop, any opened shop, iduka rifunguye. Clean and dirty, clean and dirty, clean and dirty, gifite isuku cyanduye. Clean house, inzu ifite isuku. Dirty house, dirty house, inzu yanduye. Wide, wide, narrow, narrow, kinini gitoya. Wide road, umuhanda munini. Narrow road, narrow road, umuhanda mutoya. Wide path, narrow path, inzira nini, inzira ntoya y'agapfundanwa. Profound, shallow, profound, shallow. Urugero: This river is profound, but here is shallow. This river is profound, but here it is shallow. Uyu mugezi ni muremure, ariko ahangaha ni hagufi. Bivuga hari ahantu hari amazi menshi, hari amazi menshi bayita profound, no hari amazi make ni shallow. Public, private, public, private, rusange bwite. Public schools, public schools, amashuri rusange, akenshi akunze kuba ari aya leta. Private schools, private schools, ibigo byigenga, amashuri yigenga atari aya leta. Public toilet, public toilet, ubwiherero rusange. Private toilet, private toilet, ni ubwiherero bwite. Akenshi usanga ari nk'ubwiherero umuntu aba atunze mu rugo iwe, kuko ntabwo wajya kwituma mu rugo rwose ubonye, kubera ko ntabwo ari public toilet. Common rare, common rare, ikintu kiri common ni ikintu gisanzwe, ikintu kiri rare ni ikintu kidasanzwe, kibura, kidakunda kuboneka kenshi, icyo kintu bita rare. Common news, amakuru asanzwe. Rare news, amakuru adasanzwe, adakunda kuboneka. Common things, ibintu bisanzwe. Common things, ibintu bisanzwe. Rare things, ibintu bidasanzwe, bidakunda kuboneka. Niyo mpamvu uzasanga bavuga ngo amafaranga ni rare, amafaranga ntakunda kuboneka. Soft, hard, soft, hard, cyoroshye, gikomeye. Soft cup, a soft cup, igikombe cyoroshye, bivuze ngo biroroshye kukimena, kikubise hasi gatoya cyahita kimeneka. Nk'igikosi cy'ibumba. Tukagira a hard cup, a hard cup, igikombe gikomeye. softness, hardness, softness, hardness, ubworohe, ubukomere. The softness is here and hardness is there. Let's break here. The softness is here, the hardness is there. Let's break here. Ubworohe buri hano, ubukomere buri aho ngaho, reka tumene hano. The softness is here, the hardness is there. Let's break here. Flexible, rigid, flexible, rigid. Umuntu wemera guhinduka, umuntu uhinduka. Rigid, umuntu udahinduka. Umuntu uri flexible ni umuntu wemera guhinduka akakira impinduka. Rigid ni umuntu utemera guhinduka ngo yakire impinduka. He is flexible, yakira impinduka. He is rigid, ntiyakira impinduka. Guilty, guilty, umunyacyaha cyangwa se umuntu wakoze icyaha. Innocent, inzirakarengane. I am guilty, ndi umunyacyaha. He is innocent, he is innocent, ni inzirakarengane. Honest, inyangamugayo. Dishonest, inkundamugayo. I am honest, ndi inyangamugayo. Identical, ibintu bisa. Ibintu biri identical ni ibintu bisa. Different, ibintu bitandukanye. Ingero, identical houses ni inzu zisa zubatse kimwe ziteye amarangi amwe, inzu zisa muri make. Different houses, inzu zitandukanye. Identical cultures, imico imwe. Identical cultures, imico imwe. Identical news, identical news, amakuru amwe cyangwa se amakuru asa. Different news, different news, amakuru atandukanye. Identical twins, identical twins, impanga zisa. Different twins, different twins, ni abana bavukiye rimwe ariko amasura yabo adasa. Ako ahangaha kuri identical twins aba ari impanga zisa uburyo bigoye no kubatandukanya. To include, to include, gushiramo. To exclude, gukuramo. Can you include me in the group? Ushobora kunshira mu tsinda. No, you are excluded in the group. No, you are excluded in the group. Oya, wakuwe mu tsinda. No, you are excluded on the list of the members. Oya, wakuwe ku rutonde rw'abanyamuryango. No, you are excluded on the list of members. Oya, wakuwe ku rutonde rw'abanyamuryango. To increase, to decrease, kongera, kugabanya. Can you increase the volume or decrease it completely? Ushobora kongera volume cyangwa se yose ukayigabanyiriza rimwe ntiyongere kuvuga. Inside, outside, mimbere, hanze. Go inside or stay outside. Jyamo indani cyangwa ugume hanze. Go inside or stay outside. Jyamo indani cyangwa ugume hanze. Intelligent, stupid. Intelligent, stupid, umuhanga, injiji. Intelligent, umuhanga, stupid, injiji. Your father is an intelligent, but you are a stupid. Papa wawe ni umunyabwenge, ariko wowe uri injiji. Your father is intelligent, but you are a stupid. Intelligence, ubwenge. Stupidity, ubujiji. He has intelligence, but before he had stupidity. He has intelligence, but before he has a stupidity. Afite ubwenge, ariko mbere yari afite ubujiji. Legal, cyemewe n'amategeko. Illegal, kitemewe n'amategeko. Legal business. Legal business ni ubucuruzi bwemewe n'amategeko, ni business yemewe n'amategeko. Illegal business. Illegal business ni ubucuruzi butemewe n'amategeko cyangwa se business itemewe n'amategeko. Male and female. Male and female. Igitsina gabo, igitsina gore. Female doctor, muganga kazi. Male doctor, muganga w'umugabo. Male doctor, muganga w'umugabo. Male sheep, imfizi y'intama. Modern. Modern, ancient. Ancient. Modern ni ikintu kigezweho, ancient ni ikintu cya kera. Modern building, inyubako igezweho. Modern building, inyubako igezweho. Ancient building. Ancient building, inyubako ya kera. Ancient technology. Modern technology, tekinoloji ya kera. Ancient technology and modern technology, tekinoloji igezweho. Natural, karemano. Artificial, gihangano. Artificial intelligence and natural intelligence. Natural intelligence, ubwenge karemano. Artificial intelligence, ubwenge buhangano. Necessary, cy'ingenzi. Unnecessary, kitari ingenzi. Money is necessary in everyday life. Amafaranga ni ingenzi mu buzima bwa buri munsi. You like to buy unnecessary items. Ukunda kugura ibintu bitari ingenzi. Optimist, umuntu ufite icyizere. Pessimist, umuntu udafite icyizere. He is optimist for the future. He is optimist for the future. Afite icyizere cy'ahazaza. He is pessimist for the future. Nta cyizere cy'ahazaza afite. Organized. Organized, kiri ku murongo bitondetse neza. Kiri ku murongo gitondetse neza. Disorganized, kidatondetse neza gifite akajagari. Organized documents. Organized documents ni amadokima atondetse neza. Disorganized documents. Disorganized documents, amadokima adatondetse neza, afite akajagari, inyandiko zidatondetse neza. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you are subscribed, like, share and comment.